Welcome to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. In this video, we're making quesadillas. Just a real quick pause. This video started off as a fish quesadilla video, but it turns into a tortilla casserole. I just so happened to have fish sticks I was doing a review on, so I'm going to make some quesadillas with them. Let's go ahead and start the video. I got my pan preheated on medium. Now don't be like me and get the extra large burritos, or tortillas I should say, if you don't have an extra large pan. But we're going to do the best we can with what we got. Now, I already cooked my fish for the instructions. You can put chili seasoning on, no, I'm sorry, for taco seasoning. You can use chili seasoning on now and just mix it up, or on the burrito or tortilla. I might be calling this a burrito a lot for some reason, I'm sure. And like I said, you can use anything you want. You got leftover sausage, do it. Chicken, fish, leftover hamburger, whatever, you know, doesn't really matter. Use as little as much taco seasoning as you want. Some lettuce. Now if you don't want to use lettuce, you don't have to. It's totally up to you. Now, I know people wonder, I got that. It's not just because of the price, because it's cheaper than just plain lettuce. I also like the carrots in it and stuff. It gives a little more crunch to it. Diced tomatoes with green chilies. Go. Fiesta blend cheese. Tortilla. You know, I just had an idea. It's just, they're like that. Let's kind of do it like a casserole. How's that? I never made this before. You're watching live and in action. Now, what I'm thinking is, I might just want to stick this under broil for a little while. My tortilla shell on the bottom should be pretty well cooked, or heated up or whatever. Let's go ahead, stick this in the oven, under broil for a while, get that cheese nice and melted. Okay, my edges got a little bit burnt, but I ain't gonna get too worried about that. Now, if I had this to do over, what I probably would have done was use like a pizza pan, heat up my tortillas in the frying pan, and just did my layers like that. Oh my God, I gotta say, it smells really good. There you go. Let's go ahead, give it a little taste. Okay, this is just one of those on the fly videos. Start off making one thing, ended up with an idea to make another. That's actually pretty amazing. Has a little bit of kick to it, nothing real bad. It's not quite a medium spicy level like with the taco seasoning, or taco or chili seasoning. There we go, the taco chili seasoning. But does still have a little bit of kick. But trust me, that's really good. I'm not sure if I do the pizza pan method or do like I did here, just use smaller tortillas, but it turned out really good. So if you give it a try, like 15 bucks, I'm figuring you can probably feed at least 2 people off of this, or maybe one me. 15 bucks, not a bad price, and I have a lot of leftovers to make more. Okay, if you try this, let me know what you think. Do me a favor, click on the subscribe button in one of these upper corners. And as always, thank you for watching.